One of the biggest challenges you will encounter when you go plant-based is preparing meals. If you are not fond of cooking, or if you're busy with your work, then preparing 3 meals a day is a big challenge. In this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 foods that you can prepare ahead and eat it for the whole week. Hi, my name is Serena Lee. I'm a healthy lifestyle pursuer, and I share quick tips on how to go plant-based and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. Before we go to the main topic, I have a small tip for you on going plant-based. Going plant-based is a major lifestyle choice. It is a big habit switch. If you're not doing it right, you may hate it and give it up quickly. So a little tip here is take it easy. Start with adding a few servings of vegetables and fruits to your meal. Once you get used to it, you can increase the amount of plant-based food and cut back on animal food. There is no strict rule like once you decided to go plant-based, you have to eat all vegetables, whole grains, legumes, otherwise you are not doing it right. Not at all. Do not worry about what's right, what's wrong. You will learn as you go. Okay, now let's come to the main point of this video. The 3 foods that you can cook beforehand and eat for the whole week. The first one is the oven-baked sweet potato. Here's the nutrient fact about sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a highly nutritious root vegetable packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. They are high in fiber, support digestive health, and have a lower glycemic index, making them suitable for managing blood sugar levels. With their versatility in cooking and the various health benefits, sweet potatoes offer a nutrient-dense option that can be incorporated into a balanced diet for overall well-being. Sweet potato is rich in nutrient and taste. It can be part of any of your meals, and since it's rich in fiber, it can make you full very easily. But the best part of sweet potato is you can cook it beforehand and store it in the fridge. The taste will last for a few days or even a week. And here is the rule of sweet potato cooking instructions. You can bake sweet potato for 45 minutes to an hour with a Fahrenheit degree of 400, or 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.5 hours at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You will know the sweet potatoes are done by piercing the center of the sweet potato with the tip of a sharp knife. The flesh should yield easily. After baking, leave them outside until it cools down and store them in the fridge. The second food I want to talk about is brown rice plus other whole grains. Here's the nutrient fact about brown rice. The brown rice and other whole grains are rich in fiber, providing essential nutrients such as vitamin B, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to better digestive health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes due to their lower glycemic index compared to refined grains. Incorporating these whole grains into your diet can offer numerous health benefits and aid in maintaining a balanced and nutritious eating plan. Usually, there is a cooking instruction come with the brown rice package, and it's very easy to follow. So the sum of rule of cooking brown rice is 2 cups of water and 1 cup of brown rice. Add the water and the rice to a medium salty pan and stir a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Next, you can start to cook. Turn on the heat, wait until it's boiled, then turn down the heat to medium or low, and cook it for 45 minutes or until the rice is tender and the water is absorbed. And depends on the whole grains you want to add. Usually, you can just mix it with the brown rice when you start to cook it, so there's not much complication there. But adding different types of whole grains will make it taste better overall. The third food is beans. Yesterday, the first time I tried making plant-based tacos at home. The ingredients I bought were ready to eat, so all I did was heat up the tacos in the microwave and add the fillings to them. But that gave me the idea of third food that I can prepare beforehand, which is beans. Beans are versatile to eat and easy to cook. All you need is a pot, water, and beans. The general instruction is place beans in a large pot, cover with water and boil it. Then reduce the heat, simmer it until it's tender and firm. Most beans will cook in 45 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the variety. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, and the various essential nutrients like iron, potassium, and folate, promoting heart health, aiding in digestion, and contributing to overall balanced nutrition. With these 3 foods prepared ahead, you can worry less about cooking during the busy weekdays. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Wish you have a great rest of your weekend. I'll talk to you soon.